Assist your users transition by facilitating the first navigation on self-service portal with introNow, the imaKumo solution to discover the platform step by step. It is indeed easy to get a contextualized help, enabling your employees to be guided in their first connection to the platform. The wizard can be activated from any page element, such as a menu, a field, a button, link, or simply automatically. Let's start with the first step of this tutorial. Personalized assistance in the form of a slide formatted in HTML, with data formatted with colors, paragraphs, tables, and medias presented. It is possible at any time to exit the wizard with a green button or move to the next step. When you proceed to the next step, a menu will be displayed. From this moment, you are allowed to return to the previous step, exit, or continue with the wizard. Note that it is possible to deny access to features of the screen. Let's move on to step number 3. As we can see, the size of the tooltip area is customizable. Lastly, note that the position of the tooltip area is customizable. We can set it as to display information to the left, right, above, or below the feature you wish to explain. In this scenario, discovery of the self-service portal, every feature offered to the user is well described. As you can see here, the topics related to ordering products or consumption of services and monitoring are presented, as well as the usage procedures and knowledge base. introNow will provide an advantage in the deployment of your IT and business processes, either during your initial project or during functional changes that you'll need to manage in your organization. Similar to the user portal, you can guide your collaborator step by step, assisting in the form of slides or tooltips. introNow is the perfect tool for your different users to work on their daily activities. Let's take a look at the configuration of introNow. In general, you may trigger a scenario from any part of the screen, such as menu, link, button, or automatic way. Your administrator will be able to customize each step contained in the scenario without special technical knowledge. Each step will be associated with a scenario. It will carry a name, a type of tooltip or slide, and will also have a display order. In this case, the first step will be presented as slides, and the second will be presented as tooltip. You may then choose the desired position from this field. We will now change the display of the tooltip to the left. We can immediately test the results. Now, we will go to the portal and launch the wizard of introNow using a button provided. Next, we have to identify areas that will anchor. Each zone is identifiable by a CSS class identifier. We will use the browser code inspector to edit the CSS path that we associate with the scenario step. As an example, we will customize the scenario presented on the user portal by inserting a step. The modification is easy. Just create a new step, assign it to a scenario, and define the order. We will then be able to write the text to display, knowing that this text can be formatted using an HTML editor, or in this case, we will use a video. We will now return on the portal in order to test the new step. To facilitate your transition and improve your user experience with introNow, contact imaKumo for more details on this application.